I'm here to introduce you guys a wonderful Italian specialty. It's a flatbread called Piadina. Original and typical from the region of Emilia-Romagna, which is a region that stands in between Tuscany and the city of Venice. Actually, we are making Piadina here, Belgioioso, following the exact original traditional recipe that we have in Italy. The Piadina is made with flour, water, salt, baking powder, and now we have two main ingredients that we use, one or another. Lard, in Italy is called strutto, or extra virgin olive oil. Of course, between you and I, the most popular is the classic Piadina with lard. Okay? Now, I want to show you what we do in Italy with Piadina and what the most popular Italian recipe that you can make with this Piadina. First of all, you have to use a non-stick pan big enough to host the Piadina. Let's consider that this Piadina is 11 inches. Okay? So you have to have a non-stick pan. No need to grease, no oil, no butter, nothing. One very important secret, the temperature must be very high. If you have the chance to control the temperature, I can tell you that you should stay in the range of 500 degrees Fahrenheit, which is 260 degrees Celsius. So you warm it up the pan very well. Don't you put the Piadina in the pan when the pan is not hot enough. You open the pack of Piadina. This is your Piadina. It smells great. You put your Piadina in the pan. Then you start flipping the Piadina. The Piadina is ready according to your desired level of crispiness. So if you like a little bit softer, you take it out sooner. If you like a little bit crunchier, you leave it there a little bit more. But again, the pan must be very hot. You know, now, I'm flipping the Piadina on one side and the other in order to cook it the same way. Usually these type of things last for 60 seconds. So now, check this. This is very important. The Piadina starts bubbling. It starts bubbling. I tell you, we use only natural ingredients, no preservatives. Okay? Our Piadina stays in the cooler. This is what happens when the ingredients are good. So now it's time it's crunching off on this side. I start filling the Piadina. Most popular Italian recipe, Piadina, Stracchino, Belgioioso. The Stracchino is so popular in Italy, and they tell you that the Stracchino that we make here is even better. So I take my Stracchino. Stracchino is a soft spreadable cheese. I'm not spreading the cheese. I just put the cheese on the Piadina and like little mountains, because I wanted the cheese to melt by itself without spreading. One package of Crescenza, the small one, is 4 ounces. So my recommendation, you can use 2 ounces. It's a very generous stuffing, but for a better tasting. Now, Stracchino first. Baby arugula. Prosciutto. 3 slices of prosciutto. You want to leave the slices open like this. For us, it's very important, the presentation of a product. So you want to leave your prosciutto slices quite open like that. Now, you take your Piadina, you fold it in two, like half a moon, like this. Okay? Now, final touch to melt a little bit the cheese. You take your Piadina and you put it on the pan again. Of course, the cheese stays in direct touch with the Piadina in the pan, then you can flip another time, so you do both sides. One thing is very important. If you burn a little bit the Piadina, it's even better. It smells great. So you see now, your Piadina is ready. You take out your Piadina. This is a full serving for a restaurant. Quick lunch. People, they want to grab something to go. Super tasty, super original. You cut it in two and you serve. If you want to use the Piadina as a regular appetizer, You just slice the piadina a little bit more, like I do when I do trade show and I do public presentation. So you do the piadina like this. And you have your piadina. You see how it melts the cheese. It's beautiful, fantastic. It melts like mozzarella and it tastes beautifully. The other cheese that we recommend, strongly recommend with the piadina is our Italico. Our Italico is not as soft as the Crescenza, but has a fantastic flavor. You just slice the Italico and you can combine the Italico with grilled vegetables and any other type of meats. Thank you.